shot.
Fuck on me! How'd you like that? And there you have it. Big boy's going to an execution, all right. We're gonna get him out of his misery while the whole damn city watches.
We give it our all and we'll win.
We're gonna get through this. We're gonna make it home. All of us. No exceptions.
Right. We don't want to disappoint Marlene. That goes for you too, Cloud. Right?
You better give her a big old smile this time.
If the price is right.
What? Open it already.
It's locked down.
Is there any way we can get it open?
Yeah, from that room over there.
Why does everything have to be so damn complicated?
You know, the faulty equipment storeroom's that way too.
Do you think we'll find the components we diverted there?
It's like a treasure vault. Woo! I like the sound of that.
So how do we do this?
It's simple, really. We move the levers at the same time.
Got these ones.
I'll take left, which just leaves right, soldier boy.
Emergency lockdown is currently in effect.
So we need to synchronize our movements?
In that case, follow my lead.
Nah, Tifa's.
Fine, have it your way.
Okay, pay attention, you two. 3, 2, 1.
Emergency lockdown disengaged.
Hell yeah!
We really did it! Great timing. Right on the money.
Yeah.
What y'all got tucked away in that vault, huh? This would be the treasure vault?
That's right.
What's the catch?
Need to bypass a high-level security lock.
Different from the other one?
Same deal. But we gotta do it several times.
Ha! Not a problem.
Yeah, let's try.
Delta level security lockdown is currently in effect.
Okay, guys. You know what we have to do.
Copy me?
No, Tifa leads.
Oh, fine. After you, girl.
Gotta get past level 1 first, right? 3, 2, 1.
Mother!
Shake it off. 3, 2, 1.
Alpha level security disengaged.
That was great, you guys. Let's keep it up. All right. 3, 2, 1.
Beta level security disengaged.
Wow! Think we've got this?
Hell yeah! Bring it on! Ain't nothing I love more than sticking it to Shinra.
Halfway there. Steady, guys. 3, 2, 1.
Gamma level security disengaged.
No way! You guys are naturals. Okay, final round. Don't lose focus. 3, 2, 1.
Shit!
Focus. 3, 2, 1.
Delta level security disengaged. Disposal room now accessible.
Take that, Shinra! Making us jump through hoops to steal your shit.
Didn't take as long as I expected. Good work, guys.
Likewise. You made it easy.
I put my heart and soul into those countdowns. Score! It's just like Cloud said.
They say a job well done's its own reward. I say take everything that ain't nailed down. All right, time to... Go.
Huh? Huh? Look!
Shit.
Oh, the eyes of one who has bathed in motto, which would make you a soldier.
X, soldier.
Once a soldier, always a soldier. Though not, alas, for very long. Accelerated cellular degradation being the most common cause of death by far. This is classified, of course, and every soldier knows the truth.
That's right.
Think you forgetting someone? Ah!
Would that I could. You strike me as the type to go on without a hand.
Ain't enough hours in the day to hold you to account for all your crimes.
And what a wasteful indulgence it would be, even if there were.
Okay then. Let's talk about wasteful indulgences. What is Mako, the life stream? The lifeblood of the planet. Our planet. But Shinra keeps on slurping it up like a thirsty dog. What do you think's gonna happen if you don't stop, huh?
We do indeed keep on slurping it up, as you say. But for whose benefit, I wonder. The true nature of Mako is known to one and all, yet the people willfully turn a blind eye to the cost. As you must surely be aware.
Don't you dare try to put this on us! If anyone's going along with your plans, it's 'cause you brainwashed them!
Such methods are beneath me. As are you, my faithful silhouettes. Henceforth allies of wicked Wutai, our sworn enemy. Thank you for stoking our people's patriotic fervor.
Wutai! The hell we are! You still don't understand your role in this. What do they do? Don't you see? You fools were never in control. Never anything but pawns in our plans to sound great and glorious war to the people. And your instruments of insurrection will detonate. When we so choose. God damn it! Now let us raise the curtain on our main event. The trial of the eco-extremist group Avalanche. Terrorists conspired with Wutai against Midgard. Your guilt is undeniable. Your punishment, death.
I'm sick of this. I'm sick of all of this!
It's just like when I failed you.
Cloud! Get your head in the game! We're counting on you, man.
Are you alright?
I'm fine. You guys good to go?
It's good as
Bring it!
All right. Anytime now. Yeah. Here we go. Let's do this. Try this.
Bring it!
All right. No holding back.
What'd it do to you?
big boy means business.
Gotta be careful. All right. This
Phase 2 will be combat trial. You've seen but a fraction of this machine's true capabilities. Tank Buster ready to fire. Now show me how fast you can run. Damn, that thing's coming.
That was too close.
We need to come up with a plan.
Need my help, do you?
Bring it!
I won't give up.
You're not a computer. It'll teach you hell.
I hate when they do that.
Let's take care of them first. All right.
Alright, watch and learn. We still got a job to do. You got this.
Right through it. Advanced weapons are unstoppable. Here we go.
Stay strong.
Yeah, I'll do it.
I got this. I've got you covered. He's on me.
Ride and swerve. You didn't think you're against.
Bring it! Just hang on. I'm covering. No need to climb. There! Hang in there! I'm not going out like
You bastards are gonna pay for what you did to her! Got some fight left in you. This is a big deal for you three. I was looking for gotta love it against worthy opponents. Let's turn this around. All right, now this is what I'm talking about.
Okay, let's go.
My turn.
Bring it!
You're out of luck.
Bingo! Come on! There!
What's the ball?
Shit. Get him.
Bingo!
Here we go.
Need my help, do you?
Can't move.
About damn time. Don't stop now.
I've got this.
Fire coming. The fire coming. Behold the full potential of the air buster. Executions.
Damn, all those
Let me
drones.
handle this.
Time to do your thing, man.
Watch and learn. Just make sure you got my back, all right? Want some more?
Get some rest.
Now! Get in there!
Yep, I hear you loud and clear.
Hang back. Let's try that again.
Bring it!
Let's do this. Come on, get ready. Take the lead.
Okay, let's go.
Need my help, do you? Bring in the heat! This one right here is for the planet! Give them hell!
Let me
Hear your friends cry out in agony!
You're up.
Taking over.
Bring it on! Not that!
It's coming. Second wing. That it? Keep it together.
About damn time! Let me show you how it's done!
Yeah, light him up!
Suck on this! Yeah! Asshole!
Now!
Right.
Want
Get
some
all
more?
done. All set. Ha! Come on.
Now I shall watch you die screaming!
To the limit and beyond. Giving it my all. Ah!
My dearest Amaranth, blood of love, but it is time that we part ways. This is forgiveness. Time to raise this morale of our sister rank and fire.
We almost got this! Come on, guys!
Bring it on.
Let's chop what we made of.
No more playing nice. Any last words?
Gotta love it.
Bingo.
Let's try that again.
There.
We don't have long to get clear.
Take Tifa and get out of here!
I was wrong about you.
This ain't the end of the line for you or me.
Cloud!
Come on!
Hey, buddy. You okay? Yeah. Made it through with just a couple of scraped knees back then. Back then? What do you say? We doing this? Have we? Never mind about that. Right now, you need to focus on yourself. Move something. Anything. Why not? Good. Easy does it. Slow. And steady. Yeah. Hey, who are you? Who are you?
I am your everything.
Hello in there.
Oh, Cloud. There's still so much to be done.
Maybe you're not okay. Ah, he lives. Finally awake, are we?
You're...
Aerith. It's Aerith. And you are?
Cloud.
Nice to meet you again.
Again, huh?
What? You don't remember? What about the flowers?
Oh, the flower girl. And this is...
An old church in the Sector 5 slums. You came crashing through the roof without so much as a lookout below. Fell right into my flower bed. Lucky for you. Like, really.
Sorry, I didn't mean to...
Don't worry about it. They're a lot tougher than they look. This place, it has a kind of power. Before I forget, you dropped this when you landed.
Thanks.
I've got one too.
You and everybody and their mother.
Not like mine, no. It's special. Mine's not good for anything at all.
Bet you just don't know how to use it.
Could be. Though, I really don't mind. Just having it is enough. It was a gift from my mother. Pretty crazy, huh? Us meeting again like this. You should stay a while.